Well, we have an agreement, a proprietary agreement with Arsenal. So in contrast to our usual method, the data collection was not performed by my team or by the HIMSS analytics team in Germany. It was performed by the Arsenàl.IT team. So we got the data delivered. And of course, that has a significant advantage because there's a uniform method of data collection, ensuring normalized data, similar data, comparable data across the whole organization. And that, of course, is a major benefit in any data collection effort. By and large, I would say it was a nice collaboration. We had ups and we had downs, as you always have in a collaboration. But I'm looking forward to the repetition in next year because I think by then we can avoid the little up-downs and just focus and concentrate on the ups.